There are more ways to turn negative numbers to positive in Excel. Together, we'll go through 2 of them, as each can be useful in a different situation. The first way to turn negative numbers into positive comes handy if you want the change to take place in the same column. The other way can be used if you'd like to keep the original, negative, numbers in one column and use another column to get their positive counterparts. Let's start with the first one. If you need to get the opposite numbers in the column that contains negative values, the first step is to select an empty cell where you enter the number -1. With the help of this number, we'll be able to work the whole thing out. Copy the value -1. Click on the cell that contains the value and with a right click, choose the option Copy. Now, we'll select all negative values to be turned into positive. In the highlighted area, we'll do the right click again and choose Paste Special, and Paste Special again here, at the bottom. You'll see a window where you'll select Multiply. Now, if you want to keep the current border style, select the option All Except Borders. Click on OK to confirm and you're done. You can use this way to change negative numbers into positive in any of the tables you'll work with. But we've still got the other way to go through. It's a set of steps you may find helpful in the future, too. Let's undo the last changes and see how to keep the negative numbers where they are and come up with their opposite values in a different column. Let's say we want to change the negative numbers in the column B and get the positive values in the column D. The solution is also quite straightforward. Click on the cell where we'll insert a simple formula that will turn a negative value into positive. Type the equal sign, choose the value you want to change, the value in cell B3. Now we'll multiply the negative value with -1 by entering the multiplication sign asterisk, an asterisk, followed by -1. Hit enter and it's all done. The negative value has changed into positive in a column different from its original one. If you need to change all the values, simply copy the formula by clicking on the cell, setting the cursor in the right bottom corner and drag it through all the rows where you want the change to take place. Well done. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.